Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and know NET apps running. This prevents file locks. Once done, open Services. MSC, find Net Runtime Optimization Service, NGen SVC, and stop it. This pauses background compilation so files can be repaired. Make sure to set its startup type to manual temporarily to avoid automatic restarts while you work. Doing this prevents conflicts during the next steps and ensures the optimization files are not in use, which is why we pause the service now. You'll repair system integrity and NET images next. Run command prompt as administrator, then execute sfc/scano to fix corrupt system files. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. These commands fix underlying issues that break runtime optimization. Once those complete, if engen caches still misbehave, delete the engen cache folders under %windir %bec/Microsoft. NET for the affected framework version, removing stale native images forces regeneration. You finish by regenerating native images. Open an elevated command prompt, navigate to the correct framework folder, and run engen executecute items or engen update. This forces compilation now that files are clean. Once done, restart the NET Runtime Optimization Service and set its startup type back to automatic so background optimizations resume. Finally, verify success in Event Viewer under Application and System Logs. If you still see errors, repeat the cleanup steps or run sfc/dism again. That single troubleshooting tip usually catches lingering corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.